Hello, Bob. Thanks for your time today. Much appreciated.
No worries. So I am Bob Horsfield. I'm the Chief Engineer of the Landmark London Hotel, which is in Marylebone.
Couple of questions.
Fire
So
away.
how did you become aware of target lifts? And tell me who was the first person you made contact with?
So it must have been about 10 years ago. I joined the Goring Hotel as a plumber, and I think at the time they were looking for a new lift service company, and it was you guys, and you was on site. So my first point of contact was yourself, and from then I think we've worked together ever since.
Yeah, and had a great relationship since as well.
Of course.
We obviously known each other for a while now, so how long have you been a client of Target Lifts?
So it would have been, 10 years, other than a little gap in between when I went to work for a chain of restaurants, which was only 8 months. And straight after them 8 months were done, I came to the Landmark London as Chief Engineer, and I brought you guys straight in.
How did Target Lifts value you and the Landmark as a client? And can you give me an example when we may have gone above and beyond?
I think the main thing with Target for me, other than your skills with lifts, is the communication. I've never had an issue with communication. You guys keep me updated on everything, whether it's the girls in the office, the project managers, or the directors themselves. You communicate well, you get the job done, you answer all my questions.
Fantastic. Can you tell me a positive experience or perhaps an individual that stood out at Target Lifts?
So the coronation last year, we had an issue with one of our lifts that VIPs was using, and we called you up, you diagnosed the problem, you had it sorted out, it was no problem whatsoever, and the lifts worked well ever since. All I've done was made a couple of phone calls, and that was it.
Great to hear, mate, and great to hear it was a positive experience. So, Bob, we're obviously open and honest. Has there ever been a time that Target Lifts have not met your expectations? And if so, was your problem resolved? Was it sorted?
I mean, I'd say the only times we've had general issues would be with lead times for parts. A lot of our lifts are old and from a faraway country.
Yeah.
So to get the parts, sometimes the lead times take a while. Obviously, pressure will be then put on me, be put on you, but no matter what the lead time is, you guys have always done your best to get it to us, and you've communicated. So I think the only issues is literally lead time on parts that, that's out of your hands and my hands.
Absolutely, mate, but the levels of communication have been good, so we kept you up to speed throughout the whole process until the parts have arrived.
Exactly. And
Fantastic.
I know I can call anyone within the company and they'll all help.
Be kind, but again, be honest. What could Target Lifts do, in your opinion, to improve?
I think, to be honest, I can't really find or fault any areas. Everything we've asked for, you've done. We've hopefully got a big project coming up soon. Maybe that will show some issues, but I doubt it very much.
Okay. Will you let me know if there is?
Of course I will.
So, Bob, why would you recommend Target Lifts?
All right, so in this hotel specifically, our lifts are around 32 years old. They're workhorses, they've done well, but we've had issues. When I started the lift company that was looking after them, there was a few ongoing issues, so I thought, right, it's time to make a change. Yeah. And that's why I called you up, and I thought, right, let's work together again with Danny and Target Lifts. Since then, the call-out rate's dropped 75%. I mean, that's an impressive stat. So, for that reason, I will continue to use Target, and that's it. The lifts are being maintained better than they ever have, and the issues that we're finding, you're helping with us. We're signing off remedials, and we're getting everything running perfectly.
That's super positive, Bob. Much appreciated. I love that stat as well. I didn't actually know that until today.
There we go.
So I'm glad we're doing what we need to do.
I've done my research for this chat. So.
Good man. Okay, Bob, look, thanks ever so much for answering any questions. Thanks for your time. I know you're a busy man. We look forward to working with you in the Landmark Hotel going forward. Hopefully it's a big project around the corner. You know where I am. You know where everyone is in the company. If you need us anytime, give us a call. But much appreciated. Thanks ever so much.
Perfect. Thanks, Dan.
Cheers, Bob.
Cheers.